It's the Pancit, Canton. I'm saying it wrong. I know I am. Not because my mom said it too. Pancit. She said, "You ain't make no pancit. You made lo mein." I'm like, those were not lo mein noodles. Those were definitely Canton noodles, and that's what we have here. Making these noodles using these ones. They're only gonna go for about another maybe 30 seconds. I'm gonna try it in a second. I'm finishing up the baby corn. I'm just heating it up real quick. I didn't mean to bang that. And I didn't put it in with my cabbage that's over here. I should have, but I didn't. But there's the cabbage, bok choy, and napa. And then seasoned shrimp. And then we're going to have a side salad. I got to cut up my cucumbers, radish, tomato, cilantro. And I already have rinsed my lettuce, romaine, and bok choy. And this is how we are looking now. This is the stir fry. And I'm just giving it one last toss. And I'm going to try it. Let me get my stand so I can try it. I'm going to turn off the heat though because it's already piping hot. So that's it. And we just have a salad. Okay, I'm going to just try it. See if it needs anything else. Because it might look a little like it needs some more seasoning. It's good. I did overcook the noodles. It's my family. Definitely overcooked the noodles. I'm so sorry, mother. Because, man, I don't, man. She said we'll do one thing. Just wash the noodles. No, it's very good. I'm gonna eat it. Definitely. I'm gonna make her plate because she is of the sleep variety. I'm just cutting up a couple green onions to go in. Okay. Get her a bowl. I don't know if she likes baby carrots. I mean baby corn. But I'm gonna make sure I get her plenty of the cabbage and noodle. She might not even want that much. How many shrimp did I get her? Shrimp in there. Shrimp in there.
Hey guys, so I actually realized, once I spoke with my mother about the type of noodle I was using, she thought I was using lo mein, but I was actually using the Canton noodle. So I'm pretty confident I made more like a Filipino-inspired pancit dish, just with a few different vegetables and no needle power.
Hopefully I'm in the frame because I can't see myself. But here we are. It's the Pancit, Canton. I'm saying it wrong. I know I am. Not because my mom said it too. Pancit. She said, "You ain't make no pancit. You made lo mein." I'm like, those were not lo mein noodles. Those were definitely Canton noodles, and that's what we have here. Got some hot sauce too. Look, I left the tail on by mistake. I love little Chinese baby corn. Oh, I also have regular corn. It's covered in Old Bay. I made a mess. Oh my God. I confidently put that on the thing. Now I gotta pause and clean up. All right, we're back at it. Try this one more time. I just got some coffee. It's not gonna go there because knowing my clumsy self, I already dropped my corn. I would definitely drop that mug. Like, all I was trying to do was eat it. That's it. Put some hot sauce. Just put a little hot sauce. I would have used my extra hot Texas Pete, but it's not down here. Let's see, about to eat all the shrimp out of it. Hey, the noodles are really good. The Canton noodles are, if you don't know, a wheat noodle. As opposed to like a chow mein noodle, being an egg noodle. I don't want to put on my fan, I'm hot. And I just wanted to eat really quick. Notice I was doing a lot of leaning. Me eyeing my corn over there like, I gotta refill that. I'm gonna eat on my shrimp. I'm going my corn. Before I drop it again, I washed it off, put more seasoning on it. It's just the little corn hairs. I hope it's still recording. I have no way of knowing. I'm gonna watch it when I get up. I'm gonna clean up after myself. I'll be picking corn for hours. Sorry, I realize I'm not talking. It's going good. Add some of the crema. I put it right here. We have a cojito, but no more crema. He's saying leg crema. I can't just say crema. But yeah, we don't have any more crema. But we have cojito. I would have put it on this. My mom still did. I think she might have used the mayonnaise and then using some cojito. Or no, she used sour cream and cojito. Looks good. Y'all saw it. in the video. Oh, someone's awake. Both kids are awake. I'm so glad I got to do this before they're fully risen. But yeah, that was just a quick eat with me, with what I made. It still came out good. I did overcook the noodles. Next time I will definitely cook them half that time I haven't. So sorry. I'm about to get a toothpick. Oh, I got. Still gonna get a toothpick. But yeah, it was really good. But if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it. Comment below what you would like to see me make. I actually just need some more ideas of what foods to make. I'm about to try a couple things this week. Switch it up a little bit at the end because my phone died. But thank you for watching and thanks for the support. Bye. Smooth skin. Oh, and I should have had my camera facing forward this whole time because I didn't know what I looked like on this video. So y'all got all of me. And my pajamas a little messed up. So you got all of this. Messed up pajamas and all. So bye.